Monito-Monita means even if they haven't heard the term Monito-Monita, it's likely that those who work in offices in the United States are acquainted with the concept. You basically play a game of a Secret Santa, using the same basic principles, such as drawing names to determine who your present recipients will be. A holiday version of this game is just as widespread in the Philippines as it is in the United States. There are a few variations that some people follow that make Monito-Monita unique. Sometimes people give a small gift every day or every week according to a theme like something soft, something sweet, or something round. In other cases, people give a small gift every day or every week without any particular theme. On the day of the Christmas celebration, the names of those who sent gifts are disclosed to the recipients. One custom requires young people to form a line and pay respect to their parents and other adults in their lives by participating in a ceremony known as pagmamano. This requires them to take their parent or other adult's hand and place it on their own forehead. One further method for acquiring aguinaldos is to perform Christmas caroling in exchange for the coins.